that's so good. Tails, you have to get a load of this. What, Sonic? A load of what? You sound like Eggman. Get a load of this. You retards done morbing. What is that, Sonic? Oh, don't worry about this, Shadow. It's the new Citra Twist. No sponsor, by the way. Please sponsor me, by the way. Can I have some? Yeah, sure. Perfect. Oh. Whoa! I see the world in a new area now. Tails, you look like butterflies and rainbows. And Sonic, you look like Sonic. Okay, good to know. Alright, I'm gonna go take a nap. Okay, Sonic, you go do that. That was really good. Yes. Who I do? Boop boop beep doo boop boop. Amy, what are you doing? Giving you a hug. I can't give you a hug. I guess. What's going on? Actually about to take me a nap. Oh, a nap? My bad, sweetie pie. I'll see you later. Now I need to go disinfect his hand. Up the loop, what? Maybe we went too high. Ow. Hello, fellow travelers. I'm Yellow Toad. I'm Blue Toad. And we're the Toad Brothers. We gotta get out of here, Toad. And you can say that again. A la-dee-dee, a la-la-dee-doo, la-dee-dee. Blaze. I'm a boule, am I? Hello, Silver. Huh? Blaze! It's you! I mean, hi, Blaze. Hello, Silver. It's been a long time. How's it been? Well, I mean, I guess pretty well, so if you ask me. I've just been morbing at nighttime, in the dark, outside, doing nothing. Please save me from this horror. Silver, you know you could just go back inside and go to sleep, right? That would make you feel happy. Yes. Oh, really? Yes. Right away. Hooba! He must like me or something. Oh, watch it, big fella. Ugh. Trying to make my future wife proud. Zoink, Scoob! Yoink! Ooh! Blaze, please save me from this horror! There's a monster over there! Silver, you're telling me you're scared of monsters? Don't give me this bullcrap now. Blaze, there's something over there! Please help me! Thank you, baby. I'm not your babe. Aww. Alright, listen. I didn't mean to harm you. So you're friendly? I don't understand what the frick you just said, but I hope it's good. Okay, you kind of look like Sonic. You are Sonic? What the frick is going on here? There's some dark Gaia unholy type stuff going around here. I need to go tell Silver. Oh, Silver, oh, Silver! Oh, no, help me, please! I got you, Blaze. What? You were just like freaking out a minute ago, cause I didn't know what the frick to do. But now that I know what to do, I can save you! Oh, well, the monster's gotta kill us. Wait, what? What the frick? Please, I can't die. Silver, it's fine, I tamed this guy. It's actually Sonic in disguise. Wait, what? What do you mean Sonic in disguise? I don't know, it's just some dark Gaia unholy type stuff going around here. I think we need to go bring him to Tails. And he can only speak, yeah. I don't know what that is either. Maybe Tails might know how to speak, yeah. Okay, well, Mr. BeastHog. I'm gonna call you that, BeastHog. Alright, come with me. Alright, Blaze. Ooh, that citrus twist was so good earlier today. I just had to get me another one. Oh, hi, Silver and Blaze. Hey, Tails. Hey, Tails. What the frick? Why'd you bring that in here? What is that? An attack dog? Tails. Sadly, that's Sonic. Also, sorry I had to. Okay, I'm sorry. Okay, this is too much to handle. I'm gonna sleep on this, okay? Okay. I guess we'll see the results in the morning, I guess. Alrighty. Yeah, Citra. Not sponsored, by the way. What the? Alright. What the? Silver, Bud. Yo, Bud. Bud, wake up! I was never here. Okay. Yes. It's what it looks like. I used Blaze as a pillow. We were only cuddling. She's a cat. You're a hedgehog. Actually, wait a second. Logic here, Sega. Come on now. Look. Tails is a fox. Foxes eat hedgehogs. Cat possibly can eat a hedgehog. What the frick? Well, I had a good night's rest. How about you, Silver? Yeah, I had a good night's rest. Yeah, you betcha. How about Sonic? Hey, good as always. Okay, Tails. Wake up, Tails. Wake up, Tails. I'm up. Okay, good. Look, Sonic's awake and he's normal. Huh? Sonic! Did you miss me or something? Ugh! You're normal. Okay. I mean, I do remember what happened last night. I mean, I was a beast thingy, and yeah. Okay, so you remember. That's good. That's good. Meaning your memories pass on. Meaning you're not inside of a discombobulated state. This is revolutionary, Sonic. You might have brand new powers. Now I know we all love brand new powers, don't we? Okay, so what does that mean for everybody else? Depending on what we just saw, the database is when it turns to midnight, or any type to where it's the next day, or, when it's just pitch dark. And it's kind of sort of a full moon, I guess. You could turn into some type of BeastHog or werehog type entity, but still have your same memories, and you're not inside of a crazed state, and you're not discombobulated, nor your brain isn't intact with your actual thoughts and feelings. But you can't speak normally. Yeah, I remember me scrambling with Silver for like a couple times, but that was for jokes. And then Blaze kind of understood me. Well, at that point, I was just guessing. Okay, cool. Well, look, whatever the thing is, we're gonna take some more tests tonight. See y'all back here tomorrow? I'm gonna call Knuckles. I think he needs to be here for this. Okay, yeah, and I'll call Shadow. Easy peasy, lemon squeezy. Why am I here again? Because, Shadow, we need you to help us, with Sonic tonight. It should be easy breezy lemon squeezy. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. Crap, Knuckles. Okay, what the heck? Alright, tonight will be fine, okay? We're going to easily wait until 12 o'clock p.m. and we're gonna wait on Sonic. Hopefully, he could transform again. To that little BeastHog thingy, right? Yeah, that. Whew, on my invisible watch, it says here that it's 12 o'clock. That means I should start Guys, it's pitch black in here. I kind of feel something on my rib. Blaze, are you doing okay? It's kind of pitch black and I feel something on my rib. I don't know about you guys, but I'm feeling kind of turned on right now. Knuckles, shut up. Right now. Oh, it was a joke. Come on, you can't take a joke. Holy shenanigan hooba doobas. He's turning, guys, he's turning. Everybody take clothes. Blaze, would you ever know what's on your rib? I don't care about that right now. Y'all are some weird freaks over here. This is some Bilby Lobby D devil crap right here. Yeah. Okay, what the heck is going on here? So Sonic turned into that. And he is, still intact with his actual body. He's just another form of Sonic, basically. Okay, interesting. Interesting. Tells with my calculations that I've learned over calculation school, Sonic is going through a phase of weakness, light and dark. Sonic right now is just trying to learn how to speak in his new form. Right on, Blaze! Well, he obviously has right on Blaze. Point down. As I said, he still remembers. His brain is just trying to adapt to his new state. So maybe in a couple of new nights he'll have his full vocabulary back down. Sadly, including Hooba Dooba. Rooba Dooba! Or he'll learn it now. Once again, why am I here? I shouldn't be here. I'm honestly thankful that you're here, Shadow. That for protecting us. Especially me. Huh? Yeah, Ruby Dooba. Yeah, come on. Gotta do some tests, huh? Yeah. Could you repeat that, Sonic? Couldn't really do anything with... Oh, come on, Tails. Okay, wait. Okay, is this good? Okay. So, can you do some tests to see what the frick is going on with me? What happened in my body? I shouldn't be doing this at night. I can understand you. Okay, yeah, I'll do a test with my amazing 3D printed portal fort right here. Alrighty. Alright, after tinkering a tad bit, I changed it into the night machine. Sonic, come here. Put your red on there. Alright, and press this button. Alrighty. Tails, is that it? Yeah, I'm on Blaze this time. Is that it? Okay, sadly I'm going to agree with Silver and Blaze. But Tails, that was a pretty short transmission. Don't worry, it's pretty advanced. It did what it did. Okay, if you say so. Yeah. Okay, so the test results are back, and okay, so he apparently has secret type chaos energy in his system that is like making him do this. So, yeah, but it's not even like chaos energy. It's more like synergy of some sort. Whatever it is, it's not good for his body. We need to get that out now, or unless he can control it. I kind of want to learn how to control it, if it's strong. Fit to beat Shadow's butt with this. No, don't get cocky. It's all just a joke, Shadow. If you can take one of those. I want to shed some rock. Okay, I guess we can do a tiny little fight test. Cool. I would love to watch this. I want to see who wins. Perhaps they could win me over. Tails, I want to try it out in this thing. Me too, not to get with Blaze, but just to fight Sonic. See if I can beat him into the ground. I'm going first automatically. I was his first, Angel Island friend. Yeah, whatever that is. Okay, Sonic, let's get this show on the road, shall we? I've been waiting for this moment my whole life. Is that all you got? All right. Shadow, how about you take a crack at him? Hooba dooba. Look pretty beat up there. And, will do. But I won't fail like the weakling you are. Chaos Control! If it's a fight you want, Sonic, it's a fight you're gonna get. Oh, it is on like Donkey Kong! Come to Papa, big boy. Not even you can stand a chance against me, Shadow. Ow. You look pretty hurt there, bud. No, shut up, will you? Yeah. Who's next? Tails, I don't feel so good. I'm ready. Oh, Sonic, what's going on? Tails, I think he needs a medic. Well, luckily I'm a medic and PhDs. Yep, alright. Okay, he still has a pulse. He's just out unconscious. What do you think happened to him? Probably just energy overload. Things like that happen to hedgehogs all the time. So should he be alright in the morning? Precisely. Let's just wait until the morning to see what happens. I'll give y'all an update. Y'all can leave for now. Alright, come on, Silver. Wait, me too? Yes. I kinda wanna know where they're going. Me too, but that's called eavesdropping. I guess that's a story for another day. 200 likes for that story of where they're going. Alright, Shadow, come on, let's go. I'm not going home with you. Okay, Sonic, now that you're all set, it's time to see what's going on here.